Now here is how we can send bulk photos from iPhone to an Android, right? So in the previous videos, I've shown you how you can do it to the iPhone, which is much simpler. But what if you want to do it to an Android phone, like the Samsung device, which I have right here? I'm going to show you exactly how it would work in this instance. So if you're new here, subscribe and we can get into it. So since we cannot use AirDrop or some other iPhone feature, we need to get an app which works on both devices. So the app which I'm referring to is called Send Anywhere, and you need to download it on the iPhone App Store, right? So if I go in here, you can see that this is what it looks like. This is the app. It's called Send Anywhere, and with the same icon, you can as well get it on the Android phone, right? So I already have it downloaded right here, so you can see the Send Anywhere is also part of this device. So the point is that once I have it downloaded on both devices, I can go to the iPhone, go to my Photos app like this, and part of the library, I can select the images which I want to send, right? So I'm going to use the select feature, tap on 1, 2, 3, whatever, however many images I want to send over. I'm going to click on share, and as we said, I'm not going to use AirDrop or anything else, but instead I'm going to scroll through the available apps. And now if I scroll through the available apps right here, I can tap on the more if I don't see the Send Anywhere right here, but I click on more, the app which I'm referring to, the Send Anywhere, should be right here. So I'm going to use this app to send stuff over to another device, right? In our case, it's going to be Android. And all it's telling me is that it gave me the code right here, like 6-digit code. And on the Android phone, right, I'm going to grab the device and open up the Send Anywhere app. From this, I'm going to click on receive. As you can see at the bottom, there's the receive, and I have to enter the key. So that's exactly what I need to type in right here. So 905357. I'm going to click on receive like this. You can see that there are plenty of ads inside of the app or whatever, but it works. It connects the devices and it's sending the file over from the iPhone to the Android. So it might take a while. It uses the connection through the Wi-Fi, and after it gets set up, the files should be sent over. Sometimes it kind of bugs and I have to reset it, but usually, as you can see, it works well. And on the Android phone, after I get an ad, most likely, as you can see, plenty of ads in this app, but I don't mind it because it's a great app, right? But after I skip the ads and everything, I will be able to browse the files as usual, right? So that's a very nice way to send things over from iPhone to the Androids, right? So let me know your thoughts and opinions below in the comments. I really hope that I was able to explain it to you. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'm going to see you later in the future uploads.